Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a presentation in Canva in 2026. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, Canva makes the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign in to your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, click the search bar at the top and type presentation. From the search results, select presentation. You can choose the standard 16:9 presentation or another presentation format that best fits your needs. Canva will now open the presentation editor. On the left side, you'll find a large collection of templates. Browse through the available designs and click on any template you like to apply it to your presentation. Next, customize your slides. Click on any text box to edit the title or content. Replace the sample text with your own information. To add your own photos, click Uploads, upload images from your computer, and drag them onto the slide. You can also use photos, icons, and graphics from the Elements section to make your presentation more attractive. If you need another slide, click Add Page at the bottom of the current slide. Repeat the process until your presentation is complete. You can also change fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layouts using the toolbar at the top. Canva automatically saves your work while you edit, so you don't have to save it manually. When you're finished, click the Share button if you want to collaborate with others. To save your presentation, click Download. Choose your preferred file format such as Microsoft PowerPoint, PDF, or MP4 for animated presentations, and then click Download. That's it. You've successfully created a presentation in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.